Tell him say John. Tell him say John do it.
You can't do it. You can't do it.
Tell him say John.
What? Brother.
You're dead.
Look at deep.
No. On a blood. A water. It's a water gun.
Why have a gun for idiot?
It's reflected, boss.
Why am you have to choose an idiot from father?
How the people's a water gun. Girl police. Tell them not to catch two dangerous criminals.
When we apprehend them single-handed.
Yes. Exterminator Inc. Strike again.
Were you fellas frightened at any time?
Frightened. Shots believe we were frightened.
Frightened? You crazy, man? Everything under control right from the very start.
We know that them were armed and dangerous, but we stood up to them like true champions and heroes.
Fearless, downright fearless.
Yeah.
So did you know that they are escapees from the asylum?
Oh no. But we suspected that there was some kind of mental instability from the way them was carrying on.
But we were fearless, downright fearless.
Yes.
Can you give an account of the entire ordeal for our television audience?
When we were patrolling the corridor as usual.
And Yoshi asks, man, yes, as you were saying. No,
Excuse me, sir. What's your name?
I'm Titus Roach.
Mr. Roach. Are you a foreigner?
Yeah, I'm born, grown, raised in New York City.
Mr. Look, man, reporter, you want to hear the true story or not? Simit.
Go ahead, please.
Sleepy Simit.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Me and my deputy here.
Keep the camera from the two away.
We were patrolling the corridor as usual, you know. And then we see these two dangerous and ugly-looking man enter the back and hold us up at gunpoint.
Long gun, M16. Yeah. Long gun, M16, Desert Eagle.
But they trap the customers, and we stand up to them bravely, and we tell them, don't hurt the customers, but hurt we instead.
I said to him, shoot me, but don't trouble the customers.
But they insisted that the customers lay down on the floor.
And they insisted that Mr. Smith climbed the wall.
No, that is not to cut that part out of it. Give me a chance, not Titus, man.
Yes, give him a chance, please.
Good. So, we bidded and waited for the right moment. And then we just strike. And I tell my friend Titus here that he must attack them, and he attacked them, and I apprehended the gun.
And then I move in and leave a two crippling blow to his solar plexus.
Oh, me, Titus. Yeah, man. And I want to tell you, in that ordeal, we were not frightened at all.
Fearless, downright fearless.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Thank you.
I'm sure that your bravery will be ample reward.
Oh, yes, of course.
Do you have anything to say to our television viewers?
Yes, I'd like to send greetings to my granny in the country and my cousin in Davis Bank.
And greetings to my one and only Marcia.
And to my niece who passed our common entrance the other day.
And pre-Valentine greetings to my one and only Joy.
And my Aunt May Puss, Mrs. Botter, who had 6 kittens last week.
And Merry Christmas to my one and only Marlene.
And if anybody's a little brown dog with a white spot, please call 119.
One is a Ridgeback man.
Ridgeback.
Ridgeback.
Oh, well.